My name is Rachel Brumley and I am a Fun Stampers Journey Coach. Today I would like to show you what is in the October Bloom Box. The stamp set is called Beautiful Friendship. And the next item you get in the box is step-by-step directions on how to make each card. I just wanted to show you what the cards look like. Aren't they beautiful? I'm going to enjoy making these cards. Then of course you get the 4 envelopes, and each card has a kit attached to it with all the cardstock you need. If it needs to be die cut, they go ahead and do that for you. And they also include the accessories or the embellishments that go with each card. So I think this is going to be a fun kit to put together, or rather four kits to put together. And I feel that I'm going to be using this stamp set a lot in the coming months. Thank you. For any inspiration, please visit my blog at www.artisticdesignsbyrachel.com. Hope to see you soon.